on our way to go run some errands, and we're gonna buy a new fridge today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Looking forward to making good choices.
Yes. Hopefully we get a very nice one. There's one that we saw last time, but we're not sure if it's still there. But hopefully we'll get a very nice fridge. Come with us. So by the time we got there, the salesman told us that the fridge that we saw and wanted 2 days ago has been sold. It was the last one, so we had to make another choice. We saw this one, hubby and I, we really loved it. So the decision was a little bit difficult to make because this one was more expensive than the last one we saw, and yeah, but we needed a new fridge, so here we go. Babe, what are you doing?
Moving back to Nigeria. I'm packing down my food. Yeah. We are rolling.
Oh, what do you have there? On your right hand.
It's called opposite. Used to eat garden egg.
So this is our old fridge, and we had to empty it and yeah, say bye bye to this old small fridge. And yeah, here you can see the new one already arrived. I think it took them like a week, so it was a pretty quick delivery. So the fridge couldn't pass through the kitchen door because the door is too small. They had to remove the fridge doors. These MS guys, they were very nice. Honestly, they were very nice. They took their time and made sure everything is wonderful. And here is my hubby fixing it, trying to clean it and everything, so that we can start using it with immediate effect. 1, 2, and 3. Open! Ooh. Wow. We have a lot of space. No more excuse for not doing meal prep. No more excuse for food going bad. We are so happy. Yeah. Are you happy, babe?
You know what's exciting me the most? That I can drink cold water straight from the source.
Oh God, we need to show you guys the features. So hubby took his time to find out the whole features and functions of the fridge, and this was him explaining everything to me, and of course I understood everything. And yeah, we are so happy, we are so excited, we can't wait to start using this fridge basically. One of the detached doors, and babe is trying to fix it.
Go on, check.
Yeah.
Get it out.
show you guys a full video of the fridge. This is the fridge section.
Smells like new.
And then you go down and you see.
Go down, look.
Hey guys, my husband is in the sitting room and I've been here in the kitchen since like 30 minutes just looking at this fridge, checking out the features. I like it so much. I'm so happy. Like I just feel like hugging it. It's so big, it's so huge. Okay, for me this is a luxury. Maybe for some of you it's not, but this means so much to me and it's going to make our life easier. Get my life fixed, you damn fridge. I just feel like it's going to organize my life. It's going to make me, I eat healthy already. It's going to make me eat healthier. It's going to make me be more, work smarter, like do my meal prep. Like I'm seeing myself. Hi guys, good evening. How are you doing? We hope you are fine. Today we want to go and get a new bed. We are actually running very late because we had a couple of things to do today, and it's now that we have time to go to the furniture house. Hopefully we'll be able to get a bed. We want to go to 2 furniture houses, and one is IKEA and the other one is Mobile Boss. Is close to us. I think we'll first go to Mobile Boss, and if there is still time we would then go to IKEA just to check out what they have and then make our decision. Yeah, come with us. So this is the situation of our bed. It broke while we were sleeping, but honestly this bed has served me for a long time, 5 to 6 years old, and this frame you're seeing here has never been a strong one, so now it's all gone. Time to get a new one.
Yeah, I can't environment.
Yeah,
Very huge complex.
I'll show you guys.
Honestly, like, it's mine.
It's nice. I like the size. It's not that big, but still.
Still is wide.
Oh yes.
To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I go feed the guys out, oh. I'm a mindless you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh.
Unfortunately, guys, IKEA didn't have the bed that we wanted or the kind of bed we wanted. We think, or we found all their beds very basic, so the search continues. So guys, we're at a furniture house. We want to get a bed. Let's see what we can get. This place is very big. It's called Lots. No, it's Lots.
It's massive.
Is the name. Yeah, it's very big. So let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, when I tell you guys this place is so massive. Ooh, they have a lot of options, a lot of beds, as you can see, and we definitely found something here in this store, in this massive furniture house. And yeah, follow us around and see which bed we bought. We are so excited. Maybe like this. Babe, come, let's go. What are you doing there? Tell us.
Taking a nap. I've not slept since I came to Germany.
What's going on? So
Actually, we have seen a few beds, and there are a few that have caught our eyes. Very important for us is the storage, the underneath storage. So we found a couple of options, and This is the one I prefer the most. Yeah, so and obviously it's actually the price is actually decent as well.
So let me tell you guys a story of what happened to me when I went to Nigeria. We went to this furniture house to check out chairs. And yeah, we found the one that we liked, and yeah, we seated on it. A worker came to us, and we thought that maybe the person just wanted to ask us if we like it. The person told us that we're not allowed to sit on them, even though we want to buy the chairs. And I was like, what? For me, I was in a very huge shock that I left the shop actually angry because what the hell? Here you can lie on all these beds, even for 2 hours, for 3 hours. They even advise you do so to know if you like it, if it is comfortable for your back. You can basically sleep here for 8 hours of their working time or during their working time. So yeah, that's it. Have you experienced such in Nigeria? Let me know in the comment section. Omar, I left the shop. I said, get out. This one? That's this one.
I like this.
Which one? This?
Mm.
This? Hell no. I love this.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is nice, but it's not durable like this.
Yeah.
And the other ones.
Okay.
Hi guys. So we have bought this particular bed.
Yep.
It's gonna be produced specially for us. That's why what's going to happen in the next 2 months. We have to be sleeping on the floor. I hope you're ready. But thank God it's not that cold at the moment.
Yeah. So it's actually worth the wait. It's a very quality bed, and understandably they have to produce a new one. So this is like just for
The showroom.
showroom. Yeah.
Yes, we have to be patient. Patient. Oh God, my skin is popping.
My beard is popping.
Popping, seriously. I'm such a beautiful girl.
Told you 1,000
Oh,
times you're a fine girl.
Sorry, say that again, louder.
Told you 1,000 times that you're a fine girl.
Thank you. And that's on a period. This one. Ooh, this is lovely. This is lovely. Hello, sir. Can
Hello,
I
how can I help you?
can I interrupt you?
Okay, only because you're pretty.
Thank you. Can I sit by your side?
Yeah, will you give me a number?
Of course. Right away. My address too. Bye bye. Yeah, I'm coming. Are you satisfied with our decision today? Class, high five. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do not hesitate to like, share and comment. And we are coming back to YouTube, seriously. Stay tuned for the next videos.